No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.